Hello, my name is Yvette Vasquez, and I'm going to describe the shoulder joint and explain how its articular parts are held together. This is a picture of the shoulder joint and its different parts. Some major points about the shoulder joint is that it's a very shallow joint, and because of that, it has a lot of movements such as circumduct, medial rotate, lateral rotate, flex, extend, and more. Also, because it's a very shallow joint, it is very easy to displace or dislocate. It also has a loose joint capsule. This is how the shoulder joint is held together by these three major ligaments. The coracohumeral ligament, which is located right here. The glenohumeral ligament, which is located right here. And the transverse humeral ligament, which is located right here. These are my sources that I use for my slides.